digital production, and I'm here to show you or to teach you how to set up your roll-up banner. First, you're gonna do this. You set it up. This is a hole here. Once you put it in this hole, you make sure that your rod is standing well. Then you drag. Don't put this without placing your leg here. You place your leg, then you pull. Okay? This is how you do it. Oh. This is how you do it. Okay. Make sure that you get to the height. Look at this hook here. Place it here. This is it. And your banner is standing. Okay. This is it. It's very easy and simple. Very easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching.